Hey folks, welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. My name is Martina, and for my regular viewers, welcome back. So today guys, I am back in Tortola as I traveled here on Monday. That was January the 15th, right? My husband and I, we came back, right? So I'm here, and my lighting is not that good, but I'm working with what I have, right? And I'll tell you a little about the story maybe in another video if you're interested, how things are looking. Not very, a little gloomy, but I'm grateful to say that a lot of people have, not getting back electricity and water and stuff, so it's still a big thing from where we were from before. I'm grateful to have the opportunity to be somewhere else. Other people didn't have that opportunity, so anyway, so today I want to do a scrambled tofu for you today. I got this recipe from another YouTuber friend of mine. She's also Trinidadian, and her name is Indra, and the name of her channel is Indra's Kitchen, right? And she shared this recipe some time ago, and I wanted to try for a little while now, so I finally got a chance. So this is my first recipe back here in Tortola. I'm doing scrambled tofu. So let's go to the kitchen and see how I do the scrambled tofu. But before I go on, I just want to mention again before, the lighting is not that good. There's a lot of shadow and stuff. There's no proper lighting in the kitchen right now, so bear with me, and hopefully soon one day I'll be able to get back to where I was before. Let's go to the kitchen. So here I have one block of tofu. This tofu is with cilantro, right? The firm tofu with cilantro. Next, I have half a sweet pepper that I cut up I slice it up like this. And for the onion, this is basically one medium onion that I diced up very finely. In respect to the tofu, you can use any type of tofu that you like. I just saw that one in the grocery store and decided to buy that one. Next, I have here this is about 3/4 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. I use a Badia complete seasoning. Badia complete seasoning. You could use any type of seasoning that you want. If you want to use basically just salt and black pepper, or just basic seasoning, that's up to you. I have 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil, and this is about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. The turmeric powder is basically to give the tofu a little color, make it look like if it's scrambled eggs. So let's get to putting everything together. So here's my tofu. One tip, when I took it out of the bag that it came in, I wrapped it up in a piece of paper towel, because it basically has a lot of water in the bag. So I wrapped the tofu in a piece of paper towel, and I continue to process the sweet pepper and the onion. So by that time I was done, all the water was absorbed from the tofu. So I'll just basically cut it up into, what we have to do, take a fork and just try and mash it up. So to make it easier, we just cut it up like this. And let me just get my fork. Oops. So let me just finish this process. I'll just use a fork and mash it up like this. And I'll finish this process off camera. So I'll be back. Okay, so here's the tofu after I finish mashing it up with the fork. So next I'm going to go to the stove and start frying everything together. Okay, so here's my frying pan on the stove. I'm going to add the oil. I'm going to add the onion. And the sweet pepper. Let that saute for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add the tofu. As you can see here, some of the chunks I missed in mashing up, so I could just use my spoon and continue to mash it up like this. Next, I'm going to add the seasoning, the turmeric powder, the all-purpose seasoning. Mix that together. You know, I decided to use half of this sweet pepper for this recipe, but you know, I thought it would have been too much if I used the whole sweet pepper, but I should have used the whole sweet pepper. So what I'll do for the list of ingredients, I will put a whole sweet pepper instead of half. Okay folks, basically I'm done here. We can just let it saute for 2 to 3 minutes and it's done. Right, and while it was sauteing, I just kept on mixing and mashing the bigger chunks, and yeah, so basically this is it. I'm just going to plate it out for you to see. I'll be back. Okay folks, so here's my scrambled tofu. I'm just going to garnish it with a bit of chopped up chive here that I picked up. And I wanted to do this recipe for a long time. I'm finally getting a chance to do it. This looks like scrambled eggs, you know, you could fool anybody. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm hoping in my next video I'll be able to improve the quality of this video in my new location. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.